Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So in today's video, I want to dive a little bit deeper on a video that I did a couple of weeks ago regarding 7 steps to attraction marketing. There were 3 points in there that I want to hone in on a little bit deeper in today because I think they're really important when you are online trying to build your business and you're trying to figure out how everything works, how all these puzzle pieces fit. So what we're going to dive into today is about the 3-step sales process that's going to help you make more sales online. So if you are in a network marketing opportunity, a affiliate program, anything that requires you to make sales, then stay tuned to this video because what I'm going to share with you is the 3-step sales process, the most important part of that process, so that you can actually start making more sales, generating more leads, and experiencing more signups. So if you want to know what those 3 steps of the sales process are, then keep on watching. Alright guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright guys and gals, I'm going to just dive right into the content. A couple weeks ago, I did a video called the 7 Steps to Attraction Marketing, and I will go ahead and I will link that video right below for you, or I will add it as an end screen for you. But there are 3 steps in that whole process that are really critical. And if you struggle with sales, if you struggle with making sales online, like you're posting on social media and you've got a killer funnel, you've got a great offer, but you're not getting any bites, or you're not getting anyone to opt in or buy your stuff or watch your presentations, then this video is going to be very important and useful for you. So the 3-step sales process to making more sales online is you have got to build an audience, then you have to engage your audience, and then you have to sell to your audience. Now, what happens is, and it happened to me, is that a lot of us try to get out of the gate selling. We want to sell because we want to make a commission at the end of the week. And here's the thing. I think what happens to a lot of us, myself included, is that we're going into entrepreneurship with the consumer mindset. So we're kind of thinking in the same way. We're thinking, okay, if I just sign up for this opportunity, I'll make my first money in like a week. Well, entrepreneurship doesn't work that way. It is a process. I like to say that sales is a process, not an event. You might want to write that down. Sales is a process. It's not an event. There is a journey that a customer or potential customer has to go through in order to get them from the time that you expose them to your product to the time that they actually make a sale. So you need to understand what those steps and processes are. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about building your audience. Okay, so you have an offer and now you need people to sell it to. And this is a big mistake that I did. See, I was an introvert. I kind of wanted to fly under the radar. I didn't really want a lot of, exposure to be in the spotlight or whatever. So even though I was aligned with different business opportunities, I had this fear of putting myself out there consistently. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of just did the minimum. And as I've said in other videos, your business is a reflection of you. So if you're not happy with where your business is at or what kind of results you're getting in your business, you have to go back and check yourself and say, am I doing enough? Am I taking the right actions? Am I taking the right steps towards building this business in the first place? So, by the way, if you haven't enrolled in my 5-day How to Sell Without Selling challenge yet, it is an ongoing challenge. You can enroll at any time and it's absolutely free to join. I encourage you to go to www.risebrandingacademy.com. What I do is I help you lay the foundation to start putting things into place in your business so that you can start attracting more leads, signups, and sales. Okay, so make sure to check that out. I will have a link right over here and inside my description box below. All right, so you've got a great offer, but now you need to build an audience because you need people to sell it to, right? That's why people do advertising. They do commercials. They do media spots and media buys, you know, because people need to know who you are. And you can only do that through exposure. So you need to go out there and put yourself out there. That's why, you know, this is something I used to do a lot, and I would get so stuck in creation mode and creating offers and building, you know, websites or funnels and stuff like that, and I would totally forget to market. And people say always be closing, and I say no, you need to always be marketing, because when you're marketing, that means that you are putting yourself out there, that you are getting your name out there, that you are getting more exposure so that you can start building that audience of people that actually want to know what you have to say, that are interested in what you have to say. And it also helps you build the credibility, authority, and trust factor that you need for people to go to the next step, which is to engage the audience. So how do you engage the audience? Well, now you come to interact with them and expose them to your product, expose them to your value, invite them to webinars, send them follow-up emails. You have to engage these people that now have their eyes and ears open, and they're looking at you and what you have to offer them while they are making a decision and considering, should I buy from this person or not, right? So that is the engagement phase. Now, the last phase is selling to your audience. See, one thing that I used to do, which was really, really like such a consumer mindset, to be honest, I would create little courses not knowing if anybody was going to buy them, to be honest, right? And so I would create stuff and I had nobody to sell it to. I wasn't building an audience. So you have got to have these three things working in conjunction all the time, right? So once you have built an audience, let's say you have a list of 1,000 people, you have a Facebook page of hundreds of people, you have a YouTube channel that has over 1,000 subscribers. It doesn't matter how small or how large the audience is, but you got to get people in front of your radar who are interested in what you have to say and the value that you offer, so that ultimately you can take them to the next step in that customer journey and go ahead and make that sale, right? So those are the three main steps of a sales process, which is you have got to focus on building your audience. Then you have to engage the audience, follow up with them, engage them, get them into your content, send them your blog posts, send them your videos, invite them to webinars, you know, and then you can do calls to action to make a sale. So hopefully this helped. I will have some links right below this video. I've got some free training that will teach you how to start generating leads online. The training is absolutely free. Just go ahead and check it out right below inside of my description box. And make sure that you go ahead and you enroll in my Rise Branding Academy, where I will show you the 7-step process to start putting these things into place so that you can start experiencing more leads, sales, and signups in your business. So hopefully that helped. So if it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Make sure to check out the resources that I have for you inside of my description box. And if you have any comments about this or have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.